Hello and welcome back to the Ukulele Major Scales Challenge, where we are learning all of the major scales on our ukulele. Today we are learning A major scale. This is a scale that has 3 sharps. It has F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. In previous scales we learned that C major has no sharps, G major has 1 sharp, D major has 2 sharps, and today's scale has those 3 sharps. Let's get started. We're going to start this scale on the 9th fret of the instrument. So this is where we really need to use the dots on the side of our instrument. Most ukuleles have a dot on the 5th fret. Some of them have one on the 3rd fret. So go ahead and check where yours are. Mine has it on the 5th, the 7th, and the 10th. So I'm going to start on the 9th. And we're going to start on C string with the index finger. And if you want to double check that your note is correct, you can play your open A string next to it, and it should be the same note. Now we have index finger on the 9th fret of C string, or string 3. Go ahead and give me that. Good, one more time. And next we have B with our ring finger. So we're going to skip a fret and go to the 11th fret. So we have fret 9 for the A, 11 for the B. Play the 9th fret A, keep holding that and add the ring finger for B. Good. Next, let's go to our next note, which is C sharp. Move over 1 string on the 9th fret. Again, ready, go. One more time. Let's add one more note. Give me D on the 10th fret with your middle finger. One more time. Give me C sharp and D, or fret 9 and 10. Ready, go. C sharp. Now the D. Good. And now we're going to introduce the pinky on the 12th fret. And we really want to drop the thumb. If your thumb is up here, kind of peeking over the instrument, go ahead and drop that. That's what's going to give your fingers more length to reach these high notes. So we have the E on the 12th fret. And some of you may be playing the highest note that's available on your ukulele. I think some sopranos might be pretty close to the edge there. So let's do these first 5 notes, starting on the 9th fret. String 3, give me A. Now B. Next string over 9th fret, C sharp. D. And an E. Let's do that again, but we're going to make those whole notes. Whole notes get 4 beats, so we'll do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, next note. 2, 3, 4, next note. Like that, okay? Get ready on the A. 1, 2, breathe, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, next note. 1, 2, 3, 4, next note. 2, 3, 4, next note. 1, 3, and a D note. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, now let's learn our last 3 notes of the scale. We have F sharp on the 9th fret, G sharp on the 11th fret, and the A on the 12th. So we have 9, 11, and 12, or F sharp, G sharp, and A. Let's do those in whole notes. 1, 2 from fret 9. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, next note. 2, 3, last note. Hold it for 4 beats. Okay, go ahead and take like 10 or 15 seconds to review the whole scale. Take a good breath. There is a PDF, a companion PDF that I made that has all the scales, finger positions, and tablature notation like the one on the screen, as well as music notation and a circle of fifths. So if you'd like to support the channel and have the PDF that you can print out, check it out on my website, bernadetteteachesmusic.org. All right, so find the 9th fret. So 5, 7, 9 is how I like to count it. And remember to add fingers, like not have helium fingers that float off the fretboard. So here we go, whole notes, the whole scale. Take a breath. You can do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold it the whole time. 3, 4. Very nice. One of the best ways to memorize and learn everything that we're doing here is to review. So we're going to do some review, but first I'd like to dedicate this video to Patreon member Linda. Linda, thank you so much for being a Patreon member. I hope that you're enjoying the community. It's been really fun to meet you at the meetups. And if you would like to become a Patreon member, you can go to patreon.com/BernadetteTeachesMusic. I have all of the PDFs there as complimentary for my members, and we also do live meetups in person and live lessons via Zoom. We have one coming up where we're going to learn how to change the strings together. Anyway, let's do our review now. In our first class, we learned the C major scale first. The C major scale has all natural notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and we can add the C at the end to show us that we go from C to C. The 5th step of the C major scale is G. So we went to the G scale next. In the G scale we had notes G, A, B, C, D, E, and F sharp was our new sharp. The 5th step of the G major scale is D. So that was the starting point for our next scale. And we took the F sharp that we already had, we took that with us. So the notes are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, and C sharp is our new sharp. Then we went to the 5th step of the D major scale today, which was A, and we brought the F and the C sharp. So we had notes A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, and our new sharp was G sharp. And if you're noticing, it's that last note before the name of the scale that is the new sharp. We carry everything we have and then we go to the 5th step to determine the next scale. So the 5th step of the A major scale is E. So that will be our next scale. And we're going to take all the sharps we had in today's scale and add a new one. So I hope that you're enjoying this course, and I'm excited to see you for the next video. Ciao!